Here's Paul with his beast, electric beast. I won't comment if there's any stabilization inside. Probably not. Sure.
TK Mamba program.
Is it? Yeah, you used the same one.
Yeah.
Just did some modifications to it, and
Not really.
oh wow. So you
That's
have
what proved it out before we tried it in the Mamba, right?
So you have crow in this with throttle?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Oh, wicked. Look at that.
That's curling down right.
Oh my goodness. It was very noticeable here into the wind when you...
Put it back upwind.
I know, eh? I know. I didn't want to get in your way here.
My tail from going where I wanted. Oh, I was on low rate. That's the other issue. I guess I thought I felt the right click. But
It's pretty strong wind. What battery is in that?
4400 6L.
Okay.
Gen Z's.
Wow. Is that a Motrofly?
No, this is actually the recommended E-Flight Power 60, but they had a different KV version
Oh, yeah?
recommended. I think it's a 470 KV.
I've had good luck with those Power series. They seem to be good motors.
My first time, but yeah, I've heard. It is kind of windier than I thought, too.
Darn right it is. That was awesome. I had to bend over backwards. That was cool. I like that.
I almost wish I missed it. Roll around to that position.
Yeah,
and then the
I
wind
know.
speed.
Well, I guess you have like 0 wind speed, right, when you come around in that position.
Yeah. I would enjoy it this way, but let's see.
Oh, yeah, let's see what you do. Yeah. Nice, nice. It's like quite an agile little machine, though.
Yeah.
Oh, right on. See, that's where the is that in the IMAX sequence too?
No,
way.
no.
Not at.
They have rolling circles, rolling turns.
But no rolling.
I've never seen a rolling.
Yeah, right there. That's the deadly spot right there. With the wind like that. Nice, nice. Man, you got a lot of power in that thing.
Does need it today.
Yeah. No, it's windy out. This is awesome. Seagull weather. Woohoo! That was good, eh? Turn the other way rather than getting into that bad spot.
Yeah, I'll give it a try.
Nice.
About it. I think.
Yeah, it's
Probably tougher on batteries today too.
yeah. Yeah.
So where is it? Is it kind of in your face?
It's pretty much crosswind almost. Yeah, for sure. See it drop